Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable the transparent header on WordPress blocksy. Okay, so we have a normal header here. Let's click on Customize and enter the WordPress customizer. Let's click on Header, and under the Headers tab, let's click on that. Global Header. We have Sticky Header enabled, and if we scroll down far enough, we can see transparent functionality. Let's enable that with a toggle switch. And we now have our transparent header. And our sticky header is just an ordinary one, no problem on that. And we have conditions here to where we're going to enable it. So if we went to another page, let's say About, it won't display since it only works on the home page because we have a big old giant background featured image there. And because of this, we ought to change our menu design and our, you can see here we have our default font, our sticky state color, and our transparent state color. So we can make this white for our, and let's make it blue. There you go. Just so that it's more responsive on our transparent mode, okay? And we also have our indicator color here if we had an indicator on, but let's not worry about that. And that's basically how you enable the transparent header. If you wanted to enable it on a different part of the website, we can edit the conditions again, and we can include the whole website, or only on archives and tags, and only on the 404 page, only on the search page, so on and so forth. You have a few to choose here, and you could choose to use the transparent header on any which way you want. Okay, so we'll save these conditions. I only want it to be on our home page. I'll click on Publish to save our settings. Let's reload our site to see the changes, and there we have our transparent header enabled on WordPress blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.